Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Vince. In this video, you're going to master Canva in just minutes. One of the easiest and most powerful tools to create stunning graphics even though you're not a professional graphic designer. And in case that you don't know me yet, I'm Vince once again. I'm a virtual assistant. I specialize social media management, graphic design, video editing. I'm also a real estate agent. And lastly, I'm an e-commerce product lister. And before we start, please make sure that you have a Canva account. I will gonna leave a link in the bottom of this video.
Your first time using Canva, this is what you'll see. So this is where you can see your recent designs, and these are the sizes of the templates that you can use. This is the custom you can upload and add more. So currently what I'm using is the free plan. However, if you want to subscribe to the pro, this is 300 pesos a month, 2,500 a year. So this is where you can see also all of your projects, the date you did, the category, and that's the owner. So this is where you can also see the templates. Alright, this is the brand kits. Also, this is the Canva AI, the latest feature of Canva. And then these are the apps that you can use inside Canva. So let's start with creating a template. So let's say you want to make a presentation. So you can create a blank, or you can choose one on here, and you can filter them. So these are the filters that you can use: the format, the style, the language, theme, feature, the grade, the subject, the topic, and you can also choose the color here. So the category, these are the category, and just to inform you that to identify if it's pro or if it's free, you'll see ground. If there's a ground, that's Canva Pro, but if there's none, that's free.
Alright, so now let's talk about on how to use the templates in Canva.
So this is the main page of Canva. You can either search the template that you want here, or you can also go here to search for the templates. However, let's stick to the presentation. We were gonna search template presentation, and this is the place where you can create a blank presentation like you're from scratch. And these are the choices that you can do. Once again, the filters is here, and let's say we'll use this one. So now to customize this, you can just click this, customize this template. Tada! So this is what you will see. So to edit, you can click this. This is a text option, and these are the elements. So you can edit this later on. I'll show you how to do it. And also on the design, so yeah, you can click this design, and if in case that you want to apply all of this, you can apply all pages. Ta-da! You'll see them up here. So you have an option if if you want a clear perspective. You can click this grid, and you can search, you can find a specific page that you want to edit here. So now let's go back, and if in case that you want to change the presentation, the template, just go here, and let's use the National Heroes Day. Alright, so if in case that you change your mind and you want to change the page, just go ahead, or let's say you want to use this, you can click this, and you can apply all the pages, and ta-da! That's it. That's how easy it is. So you can still control the colors here, right? These are all the templates that you can use. Okay, this is where you can see all the templates that you can use. To edit, just go ahead and click this one with all the elements, and that's it.
Alright, so now we will learn about the elements and how to use them. So
Here in Canva, you will see the elements in the left side of the page. So if you click here, you can see search bar where you can search the specific elements that you want to use. The recent elements that you use, if you want to see all of them, you can click see all. The same goes for the shapes, the graphics, pose and quizzes. AI image generator doesn't have that because you need to generate your own. The sheets, all the templates for the sheets, tables, photos, available videos, audio, charts, stickers, frames, grids, mockups, and collections. So let's say for example you are looking for a specific shape that you want to use or a specific element that you want to use. Let's say mouse. And just like that, you can see it here right away. Then let's say rocket. Nah, that's it. You can see that right away. And also, just wanted to inform you about the shape here. I do. If this is how you can add a shape using the elements, and also if you want to change the color, this is how you. This is the colors available that you can use. Solid and the gradient, and also this is for the stroke. Let me show that to you. That's for the stroke. And also you can change the color of the stroke from here, just like that. This is for the corners, the sides, just like that, if how many sides you want. And also if you want to add text on it here, right, and then you want to change the font, you can do that from here. And then the size of the text, this is how you adjust it. And the color of the text, the same goes as the color of the text. Bold, italic, alignment, or if you're creating a list, you can use this. Advanced settings, actually this is just for the spacing of the text that you're trying to use or to add to the shape, or any text message will do. And also for the transparency, this is the transparency, just like that, ding ding ding. And also the animate. So that's how you use it. And now, as we all know, there is a specific grid that you can use inside Canva. So what you're gonna do, if in case that you want to add your custom grid, just go ahead and add a grid from the settings. And just like Photoshop, you go here, drag it from the desired location, just like that. If you're vertical and for horizontal, you can do that just like that, and just like that. And don't be afraid or don't be overwhelmed, okay, because you can always get rid of the grids without any problem. So you have an option to drag it here or drag it from top. And if you want to make your life more easier, just go back to the settings and click the clear guides. That's how easy it is.
alright, now let me teach you how to work on with the layers in the Canva. So this is very important because this is how you can bring the element back, forward, something like that. So let's say this is your canvas and you want to work on with the layers, which is you will have an option on it here to bring this layer here, like this one, bring back, bring send to back, and just like that. So sometimes you might have a hard time selecting it. So, but don't need to worry about it because what we're gonna do is go to the position, go to the layers, and you can go over here. That's it. That's how it works. So now next step, we were gonna learn on how to work on with the alignments. Let's say you want to align your text message just like this. So if you want to align them, what you're gonna do is you can go here and align them to the left wherever you want. And for the space, no problem with the space also because you can space them all. And to group them, you can group them up and group. And if in case that you want to touch this, if you're having hard time, and if you want to unlock them, click it again. So this is the duplicate, the delete. You want on the specific element on the canvas, you can do that, or the text. So these are the rest of the option that you have inside Canva. How to link and show element timing, a lot of more, delete, duplicate, all of that. But everything, again, it's so easy. Okay. So now let's work on how to download the file or save the file. So if you want to download, you can just copy it, or you can copy it for anyone with the link. You can send it to anyone with the link, or only you can access it. So if you want to present, this is it. This is the option. Present, record. A lot of option on it here, but this is how to download. So to download it, you'll have an option. So you can use PDF, PDF print, MP4, JPEG. Let's use the PDF. And by the way, if in case that you want to save it and you want to use transparent background, you can do that. However, let's work on the PDF. Just download it, then you can name it, then save. That's it. So this is all for today's for this video tutorial, and I will make more. Don't worry about it. I'll make a lot of contents for this, but don't forget to subscribe, follow, and try to comment on it here what you want me to work on or to make a tutorial with. All right, and have a good day, everyone.